New drone technology enhances public safety by improving response times and situational awareness for law enforcement. Flock Safety, a well known name in public safety technology, has announced the acquisition of Aerodome, a company specializing in drone as first responder (DFR) technology. This acquisition represents a major step forward for Flock Safety's efforts to provide law enforcement with cutting edge tools to protect communities and reduce crime. Integrating drone technology for faster response, the FR technology allows drones to be deployed immediately to critical incidents, giving law enforcement officers faster access to vital information. Drones equipped with cameras can capture footage and provide situational awareness before officers arrive on the scene, improving response times and officer safety. This real time intelligence enhances the ability to assess situations quickly and accurately, enabling law enforcement to respond more effectively. Garrett Langley, founder and CEO of Flock Safety, explained the significance of the acquisition. Anyone who's seen a drone as first responder program in action knows that this technology will play a central role in the future of public safety. No other technology helps law enforcement officers get eyes on the scene faster than a drone. By incorporating Aerodome's technology, Flock Safety will expand its existing suite of public safety solutions, which includes tools like license plate recognition, LPR cameras, and gunshot detection sensors. Langley emphasized how this combination would improve their mission to protect communities. By combining Aerodome's best in class DFR technology with Flock Safety's existing suite of rapid response solutions, we're taking a big step forward in our mission to protect communities and eliminate crime. American made drones for public safety. Flock Safety also announced plans to release a series of American made drones over the next year. These drones will comply with the National Defense Authorization Act NDA, ensuring they meet federal requirements for security and data protection. This compliance will enable law enforcement agencies to access federal funding for their drone programs while ensuring operational reliability. Rahul Sidhu, Aerodome's CEO and co founder, will join Flock Safety as Vice President of Aviation. He shared his excitement about the partnership. My team and I are thrilled to join forces with Flock to take emergency drone response to the next level. By tightly integrating DFR 2.0 technology into the Flock Safety Rapid Response product suite, we can accelerate adoption of DFR across public safety to save lives and make communities safer. Advancing drone as first responder capabilities, Aerodome's DFR system offers several innovative features, including fully automated battery swapping docking stations and advanced software for detecting and avoiding nearby aircraft. These capabilities allow drones to operate safely beyond the operator's visual line of sight, making it easier for law enforcement to respond to incidents without the need for additional resources. This system reduces operating costs while improving the speed and safety of drone operations. Scottsdale Police Chief Jeff Walther shared his experience with Aerodome's DFR program. Our Aerodome DFR program, which we just launched a few months ago, has already allowed us to respond to real time emergency situations faster and with more precision. The integration between Aerodome's best in class technology and Flock Safety's suite of collaborative policing tools will transform our real time crime center, RTCC, empowering our first responders to protect lives and shape a safer Scottsdale. Showcasing new technology. Flock Safety will be showcasing its newly expanded capabilities at the International Association of Chiefs of Police (IACP) conference in Boston, which runs from October 1922. Attendees can visit booth hash 513 to learn more about the company's suite of rapid response solutions. For those unable to attend, Flock Safety will also host a webinar on November 13, where they will provide a live demo and an in depth discussion of how DFR technology will impact the future of policing.